Mary I of England, often remembered as Bloody Mary, led a life filled with sorrow, duty, and an unrelenting quest for acceptance. Born in 1516 to King Henry VIII and Queen Catherine of Aragon, Mary's early life was filled with privilege. She was a bright, well-educated princess, fluent in Latin, French, and Spanish, and highly skilled in music. However, her world shattered when her father divorced her mother to marry Anne Boleyn. Mary was declared illegitimate, stripped of her royal status, and forced to serve as a lady-in-waiting to her infant half-sister, Elizabeth. Despite her humiliation, Mary remained devoutly loyal to her Catholic faith and her mother's memory. When she finally ascended to the throne in 1553, after years of political isolation and personal suffering, she was determined to restore England to Roman Catholicism. Her reign was marked by strict religious policies and the persecution of Protestants, leading to her infamous nickname. Personally, Mary's life was deeply lonely. She married Philip II of Spain, hoping for love and a Catholic heir, but their relationship was distant and political. Mary longed for children, even experiencing a false pregnancy that left her emotionally devastated. In her private life, Mary was modest and reserved. She enjoyed needlework, music, and religious devotion. Her court was more somber than splendid, reflecting her serious nature and the burden she carried as a ruler fighting for her faith and legitimacy. Mary died in 1558 at the age of 42, heartbroken and without an heir. History often paints her harshly, but behind the title was a woman wounded by her past, fighting desperately for stability in a world that had often abandoned her.